Hello guys, welcome to Those Are Digitals, where we share everything crypto and also give you updates on other opportunities in Web 2 and Web 3 space. In today's video, I want to show you how you can increase your hash on Satoshi Core. All right, you notice that a lot of people who mined OpenEX and also OG on the Satoshi Core app were not able to get a sizable number of those mined token because they have one, a low hash, and two, their team, that's people that they referred, did not contribute any hash at all right? And so if you refer people and they do not contribute any hash, how do you improve your own earning without necessarily relying on your referrals to get the job done? Okay, so this is what I did in the Satoshi app, where the people that I referred were completely on ghost mode. So I started working towards increasing my hash, and I've been able to increase my hash to 488,020 20, right? And so this is how you go about increasing your hash in case other subsequent projects come on board. Like you can see now from this part here, based on the airdrop announcement, there is going to be a new airdrop on the Satoshi app. That is 500,000 Colend tokens up for grabs, all right? The start date is on the 25th of May, and it's going to be ending on the 30th of June. Now, this is going to favor those who have increased hash number, okay? And so how do you go about this? How do you go about increasing your hash in the Satoshi application? So this is what you want to do. You're going to click on this part here where we have the hash card. All right, when you click on that, then you are going to see all of the hash cards that are available. You see the B2 card, the formation card, spider card, ant card. All right, and the other part again, they are also going to look at, so we have the gift card. Okay, so when you look at this gift card now, you can see that you have about 10 gift cards, okay, that you can actually give to people. Now, this gift card can only be used once. So what you want to do is you copy the gift card, go to this Telegram channel, here, that's Satoshi Hash card on Telegram. All right, when you come here, you just paste it in the message box, and anybody who has not used a gift card before will use that gift card, and when they use it, you are going to get 30k hash. And so same thing also applies to you. When you use somebody's hash card or gift card, you get 30k hash, and you can only use that gift card once, okay? But you can give out to other people at least 10 times. Okay, so how then do you now use the hash card to boost your mining? So take, for instance, we want to do the B2 card, hashtag hash improvement or hash exchange. You just click on join. But in the situation where you are the one that wants to initiate it, you click on initiate. So for me, I don't want to initiate, so I'm just going to click on join. So I'm going to look for an hash card code. Okay, so I'm just going to come to this Telegram here, and I've seen an hash card that is under the B2 card, so I'm just going to copy the code, just cut it, then I'll come here and I'll paste it in my in the space, then I'll click on confirm. All right, you can see you see hash card exchange does not exist or has ended, so that means that particular hashtag is already ended. So I'm going to look for more hash card that I'm going to use. So this is another B2 card that somebody just dropped, so let me click on that and see. So I'm just going to copy this, come back here again, click on join, paste it here, and confirm. All right, and let's see, it's a hash card exchange joined successfully, so I'm going to close it. Now currently this particular hashtag, all right, from the person who initiated it, is going to take only 5 participants. Okay, so I'm the second participant there. Now when this hash card is filled up with all of the 5 participants, it is going to calculate. When it's done calculating, then we are going to get a final hash. I'm going to be getting 1000 or 1.10k hash, or that's like 1100. Okay, that's what I'll be getting as an addition to my already existing hash, all right, number. Okay, now but this can only be successful if the other 3 persons join. So what most people do is that they initiate an hash card for just 3 persons or just 2 people, and they come to this part, to this Telegram channel or any other Telegram channel where there's an hash card exchange, and they just type they put the code of the hashtag and all of that. Take for instance something like this. Now if I click on initiate formation card and I see for 2 people, then I click initiate, and I'm just going to close it. Then I'm going to copy this, then come to this Telegram here and I'll paste it. But I can't paste it because I've been restricted from posting messages in Telegram. So I just tap permission card and I'll share. So anybody that sees this is just going to dive on it, and before you know what's happening, we are done with that initiation process. So how do you now get a Telegram hashcard group where you can join? You can just come on the search bar of Telegram and just type core.io, core hash. All right, you can type it like that, core hash mining or something. When you see something like this, you can join. When you join, you see a lot of people who are posting hash cards and all of that, and you start exchanging. So that's how it is basically done. So you want to start doing this now by increasing your hash before the next airdrop that will be taking place on the 25th of this month. All right, so that'll be all for now, guys. If you have found value in this video, please hit the subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell so that you get updated each time I post a new video. And also share this video with your community so that we can onboard a lot of people into the Web3 space. See you again in my next video. Bye.